Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to send chats and messages on Reddit. First of all, open the Reddit app on your phone. Then navigate to a post or comment section where you find someone you would like to chat with. Then click on the username of the person you want to chat with. This will take you to their profile. On their profile, look for the option that says Start Chat and click on it. A chat window will open, allowing you to type your message and start a conversation. Users can adjust their privacy settings to restrict who can send them private messages. If a user has chosen to receive messages only from friends or has disabled private messages altogether, you may not be able to send them a message. If you enjoy this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.